Here's the problem with most AI tools right now. They can answer questions, write drafts, and help with individual tasks, but they still feel separate from the way teams actually work. That is where Helio is interesting. Helio is not trying to be another chatbot on the side. It is positioning itself as an AI-native team workspace, or more simply, an AI-native workforce. Let me show you the mental model. In Helio, AI is treated less like a tool and more like a teammate. That means an AI teammate can have a role, an identity, a place in the workspace, and work assigned to it the same way a human teammate would. Helio's site puts it very directly. You can see who picked up a task. You can see what moved into review. You can see what is blocked. You can see what needs your approval. And that makes the whole system feel more like a real team workflow instead of a pile of disconnected AI outputs. Now let's walk through what this looks like in practice. Helio's AI teammates are useful because they can work with the tools your team already depends on. You can connect services like Slack, Notion, Gmail, GitHub, X, Outlook, OneDrive, and other business tools, then let each teammate use the right context for its role. Automations can run recurring work, while threads, channels, and direct messages keep conversations organized. A research teammate can gather information, a project teammate can track tasks, and a support teammate can work from customer context, all inside the same workspace. I would start with a real channel, not a fake demo prompt. For example, let's say I'm planning a product launch. Inside Helio, I can create a channel for that launch and bring in AI teammates with different roles. One teammate can focus on research. One can focus on positioning. One can focus on content. One can focus on customer objections. And one can turn the discussion into a task plan. Now the workflow becomes much more natural than one long prompt. I can write, "We're launching this product next week. Review the current notes, identify the strongest angle, list the main customer objections, and turn this into a first week launch plan." Then the AI teammates can work inside the same conversation. The researcher can summarize the market. The positioning teammate can challenge the angle. The content teammate can suggest hooks and posts. The objections teammate can point out where the messaging is weak. And the planning teammate can turn the final direction into clear tasks. That makes Helio much easier to understand. It is not a chatbot. It is a shared workspace where human teammates and AI teammates can work side by side. I'll create an automation for a recurring workflow, for example, preparing a weekly project update every Friday afternoon. I'll describe the task in natural language, choose when it should run, and assign the work to the AI teammate. Helio can then gather the relevant updates, organize them into a draft, and return the result to the workspace for review. The important part is that this is not just a one-time chat response. The task has a trigger, an assigned AI teammate, a defined outcome, and a place where the result comes back. I can review the automation, adjust the instructions, and decide what requires my approval before anything is sent or shared. You can use the same pattern for recurring reports, monitoring a project channel, summarizing new customer feedback, preparing meeting follow-ups, or reminding a team about unfinished work. Here's where Helio becomes more practical. A lot of AI demos look impressive until you ask one simple question. Who is responsible for the work? If an AI drafts a reply, who approves it? If an AI updates a task, where does the team see that progress? This is why Helio's task and approval model matters. The AI colleagues are not just answering in a chat. They can own work in the same task system humans use. Same statuses, same channels, same assignees, same review flow. So if an AI teammate is working on a pricing page update, a support issue, a postmortem, or a backend ticket, the task does not disappear into a private chat. It is visible. The team can see what is in progress, what is in review, what is blocked, and what is done. And for higher stakes work, Helio keeps the human in the loop. If a message needs to go out, it can be drafted first and routed to you for approval. You can approve it, edit it, or send it back. That is the right balance. The goal is not to remove humans from the workflow. The goal is to remove repetitive coordination while keeping judgment, approval, and accountability visible. Teams do not only need AI that can generate text. They need AI that can take responsibility in a way the rest of the team can understand. Who picked this up? What did it do? Where's the output? What needs review? That is what Helio is trying to make legible. Helio is not just a place to ask AI for answers. It is a team workspace where AI colleagues can work beside humans. They can join channels, follow tasks, contribute to discussions, and bring work back for review. That is the core idea. To test it properly, start with a real project. Create one channel for the project. Use a clear goal. Then review the output before anything important goes out.